Hi, I'm Amber at WTI, and if you are a protein bar junkie like me, you're gonna wanna try this one. I am absolutely obsessed with these Builder bars. I have purchased the same bar I don't know how many times now because it's just so good. I'm always trying the newest, next best thing, and I'm just stuck on these bars. They're just so delicious. I love that they're gluten-free and dairy-free, and then there's no oats. It is so hard for me to find a protein bar that doesn't contain oats, and this has no oats, but it tastes delicious and it still has a crunch. So you don't need oats to have that crunch. So it has a slight mousse layer as well as just your regular chocolate coating and then a crunch. It's so good. The ingredients are super simple and easy for me to understand. And I know that they're all plant-based and non-GMO certified, which is really good. So this also has 20 grams of protein. So not only is it super delicious, it's not gonna bug my stomach, and it's gonna keep me full when I don't have time to eat a full meal. I'm so happy. So I love this bar, and that is my point of view.